Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I want to show you how add events to your calendar on your OPPO A2. Our first step to do it is from main menu. We must navigate to the calendar application, and there we can change view of our calendar to be easier. And now we choose the day when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of December. We click on it, and after that this plus icon, event, and now we can add our title of our event. There we can set it's all day event, or we can set time when event start and finish. There we can add people to our event, add video conference, add location of it. When we get warming, 20 minutes before, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, what we want. Color of our event will be in our calendar, description to it, and that's all. When we want to save it, we click there, and we have our event in our gallery, right there on the blue color which we set. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.